Welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to update block attributes using a text file in Excel. First, let's take a look at the blocks. In this case, we have blocks with 3 fields, all set to the default as value. We'll update these default values with numbers. Let's begin. Select all similar blocks using the Select Similar option. Type AutoCAD and press Enter. You'll be prompted to save the text file to your desired location. In this example, I'm saving it in the same folder as the drawing file. Once it's done, navigate to the Save Text file and open it. Select all the text and copy it. Next, open a blank Excel file, paste the copied values, and update them as needed. In this example, I'll update the values to 1, 2, and 3. After updating, copy the modified values from Excel and go back to the text file. Select all the values in the text file and paste the updated values from Excel as shown. Now for the final step. Type AutoCAD and press Enter. You'll be prompted to select the updated text file. Once selected, the attribute values for all the blocks will be updated at once. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.